In today's video, I'm going to teach you fix Yahoo search from Chrome. If your searches keep redirecting to Yahoo when you prefer Google, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you set things back the way you want and keep them there. First, open Chrome and head into Settings. The quickest way is to click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, select Search Engine. Here, look for the option called Search Engine Used in the Address Bar and change it to Google. This tells Chrome to use Google whenever you type in the address bar. Next, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. You may see multiple entries here. Make sure Google is set as the default. If you see any Yahoo entries, you'll want to remove them so they don't switch back later. To do that, click the three dots next to any Yahoo listing and choose Remove. If Yahoo is currently the default, set Google as default first, then you can remove the Yahoo entries. It's normal to see more than one Yahoo item. Go ahead and clean them all out. If the search keeps switching back, an extension might be causing it. Go back to the three dots menu, choose Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Carefully review your installed extensions. If you spot anything unfamiliar, something you don't remember installing, or tools that claim to manage your search or new tab, toggle them off to test or click Remove to uninstall. Take your time here. Only keep extensions you trust and actively use. If things still aren't right, reset Chrome's settings to their defaults. In Settings, open the Reset Settings section and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will remain intact. After the reset, recheck that Google is the default search engine and that any unwanted entries are gone. Finally, make sure Chrome is up to date. Click the three dots, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. When it prompts you, relaunch the browser to apply the changes. At this point, test it out, type a simple search into the address bar, and confirm you're seeing Google results. If everything looks good, you're done. If it switches back later, revisit your extensions and remove anything suspicious. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix Yahoo search from Chrome.